Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shami. I am a pattern master. I have 15 years of experience in leather garment industry. Today manual pattern making is not enough. We need digital skills. So I am starting a complete Optitex course from zero to advanced level. If you are a beginner or manual pattern maker, this course is for you. What will we learn in this series? First, basic tool of Optitex PDS. Second, how to make and grade patterns. Third, marker making to save fabric. And the best part, 3D visualization. We will check garment fitting on 3D avatar without cutting a real fabric. Because of my background, I will also share a special tips for leather garment patterns. Learning the software is the step 1. Earning money is step 2. In this course, I will teach you freelancing. I will show you how to sell your digital pattern online and get international clients. Are you ready to become a digital pattern master? Then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Write ready in the comments below. See you in class 1. Thank you.